Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to download and install Roblox on your PC or laptop. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, just open a web browser and go to Roblox. Sign into your account, and then what you need to do is find a game you want to play. So, for example, let's say I wanted to play this on, I'd go and click on it. Then, what you need to do is click on the play button like so. You may get a pop-up message saying something like, Roblox is launching. But just wait. Shortly, you should see another message that says you're moments away from getting into the experience. Download and install Roblox. The robloxplayer.exe file will then download. You need to find it in your downloads, so open File Explorer, go over to the left and click on Downloads. Find the file and double-click on it. It will then say Installing Roblox. Now all you need to do is wait. It shouldn't take long. Once it's finished, the installation window will disappear. Now, go back to Roblox. It will say, after installation, click Join below to join the action. Give it a moment, and Roblox will begin launching. All you need to do is wait while the game loads, and that's it. So that's basically how you can download and install Roblox on your PC or laptop. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.